Imagine biting into your favorite snack, only to have your blood sugar skyrocket moments later. For millions living with diabetes, this scenario isn't just uncomfortable, it can be downright dangerous. But what if I told you that you could still enjoy delicious, satisfying snacks without compromising your health? In this video, we're about to unveil 20 game-changing snacks that not only taste amazing but are also diabetes-friendly. These aren't just any ordinary snacks, they're carefully selected treats that can help stabilize your blood sugar while satisfying your cravings. From crunchy to creamy, sweet to savory, we've got options that will revolutionize your snacking routine. But here's the kicker: one of these snacks is so effective at managing blood sugar levels, it's being hailed as a miracle food by nutritionists. Which one is it? You'll have to watch to find out. Get ready to transform your diabetes management and rediscover the joy of snacking without guilt or worry. Hey there, snack lovers! Do you have diabetes and struggle to find tasty, healthy snacks? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of diabetic-friendly munchies. I'm going to share 20 delicious snacks that won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. So, grab a seat and let's get started on this yummy journey. First up, we have Greek yogurt with berries. This protein-packed snack is a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and top it with a handful of fresh berries. The protein helps keep you full, while the berries add natural sweetness without spiking your blood sugar. Next on our list is a classic, hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. They're easy to prepare in advance and make for a quick, portable snack. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper for extra flavor. Let's talk about raw vegetables with hummus. Carrots, celery, and cucumber sticks are perfect for dipping. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are high in fiber and protein. This combo is not only delicious, but also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 4 on our list is a small handful of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are all great choices. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Just remember to watch your portion size, as nuts are calorie-dense. For a crunchy treat, try roasted chickpeas. Drain a can of chickpeas, pat them dry, and toss with olive oil and your favorite spices. Roast them in the oven until crispy for a satisfying, high-fiber snack. Cheese and whole grain crackers make a great snack combo. Choose a low-fat cheese and pair it with fiber-rich crackers. This snack provides a good balance of protein and complex carbohydrates. For a refreshing option, how about cucumber rounds with cream cheese? Slice a cucumber and top each round with a dollop of low-fat cream cheese. Add a sprinkle of herbs like dill or chives for extra flavor. Edamame is another excellent choice for diabetics. These young soybeans are high in protein and fiber. Steam them lightly and sprinkle with a bit of sea salt for a tasty, nutritious snack. If you're in the mood for something warm, try a small bowl of homemade soup loaded up with non-starchy veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. This low-calorie option is filling and packed with nutrients. For a protein boost, consider turkey and cheese roll-ups. Use thin slices of turkey breast and low-fat cheese. Roll them up for an easy, carb-free snack that's great on the go. Avocado toast on whole grain bread is a trendy snack for good reason. The healthy fats in avocado help slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Use a small slice of bread and mash a quarter of an avocado on top. Cottage cheese with tomatoes is a classic combo that's perfect for diabetics. The protein in cottage cheese pairs well with the vitamins and fiber in tomatoes. Add a sprinkle of black pepper for extra flavor. For a sweet treat, try a small apple with a tablespoon of peanut butter. The fiber in the apple and the protein in the peanut butter make this a balanced snack. Choose natural peanut butter without added sugars for the best option. Tuna salad on cucumber slices is a great low-carb snack. Mix canned tuna with a little Greek yogurt instead of mayo for a healthier version. Spread it on cucumber slices for a refreshing crunch. For a warm, comforting snack, consider a small sweet potato with a pat of butter. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes. They're full of fiber and vitamins, making them a nutritious choice. Beef sticks. Beef sticks are a great snack for maintaining steady blood sugar, as they're high in protein and low in carbs. 1 ounce provides about 6 grams of protein and only 1 gram of carbs. However, be mindful of sodium content, as excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure. Enjoy beef sticks as a satisfying and convenient snack option. Chia seed pudding for a creamy, nutrient-packed snack that's both delicious and good for blood sugar control. Try chia seed pudding. Simply soak chia seeds in milk or a dairy-free alternative until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. This treat is high in fiber and protein, which helps keep your blood sugar stable. Customize it with vanilla, cinnamon, and fresh berries for added flavor and nutrition. It makes a perfect snack for any time of day. Energy bites. These are a fun and customizable snack, ideal for managing blood sugar. These little bites are made by rolling and mixing your favorite ingredients into tasty, nutrient-rich balls. Matcha Superfood Energy Bites, for example, are a great option with only 13 grams of carbs per serving. Experiment with add-ins such as oats, seeds, nut butter, or a touch of dark chocolate to create a snack that's both diabetes-friendly and delicious. Black bean salad for a flavorful and filling snack. Try black bean salad. It's great for blood sugar management, being rich in fiber and protein, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes and lower insulin levels after meals. To make it, mix 100 grams each of black beans, diced white onion, and chopped red bell pepper, with 1 tablespoon of olive oil as dressing. A quarter of this salad contains about 9 grams of carbs, making it a nutritious and satisfying choice. Last but not least, we have air-popped popcorn. It's a whole grain that's low in calories and high in fiber. Skip the butter and try seasoning it with herbs or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Remember, portion control is key when snacking with diabetes. Always check with your doctor or dietitian about how these snacks fit into your meal plan. Everyone's needs are different, so what works for one person might not work for another. There you have it, folks. 20 delicious and diabetes-friendly snacks to keep your taste buds happy and your blood sugar stable. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more healthy eating tips. Until next time, happy snacking!